I welcome you all to this wonderful lesson, and we've got this question that I want us to answer together, falling under quadratic functions. So I won't only teach you how to answer these questions that are right here. There are some questions that are down here that we are going to revise through, but I will try by all means to make you understand each and every question that can come in this way. So the question is saying the sketch shown below represents the graph of the curve y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 3 passing through the points A, B, and C. So we've got the point A that is here. This is A, B, and C. Then the first question is saying find the coordinates of B and C. This is the first question. So we've got some wonderful questions that we are going to look at together. So now they are telling us to find the coordinates of B and C. How can you find the coordinates of B and C? For you to find the coordinates of B and C, what you are supposed to do, or what you need to get and understand, is something that is very simple. You know that this is the x-axis. I guess you know and understand that on the x-axis, the value for y is 0. So you get this equation, you say x squared minus 4x plus 3. You equate to what? You equate to 0. Then you solve this particular equation. You find the product, the sum, and the factors. So these are things that you are going to do. So what is the product here? You know that the coefficient is 1 there. You say 1 times 3, that is 3. How about the sum? You just get the middle coefficient, that is negative 4. It is at this point now where you are going to look for two numbers that you can multiply so that you get positive 3. And if you add them, you get negative 4. So what are those numbers? Negative 1 and negative 3. Such that if we multiply these two, we are going to get positive 3. And if we add them, we are going to get negative 4. So since these are the factors and the coefficient is 1 there, we are just going to go direct, where I'll just say x minus 1, x minus 3. So I say minus 3. This is what I'm doing. I say equal to 0. I solve this. How do I solve this? This is x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is x is equal to 1 as the answer. When this negative goes to the other side, it becomes a positive. So I've got one value. I go to this one. X minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is x is equal to 3. This is my answer. I know that x is 1 and 3. So meaning that my 1 is here. I know that 1 is here. The 3 is here at that point. And I know that this is the x-axis, y is 0. So a coordinate that is there, that is 1, 0. On a coordinate, we always start with the value for x. Here, this is 3, 0. So you just conclude the coordinates for B is 1, 0. And the coordinates for C, it is what? 3, 0. This is what you are supposed to do. You are done. So you are answering this particular question based on the information that you already know. And this is what you are supposed to do. We now go to this particular question where they are telling us to find the minimum value of y. On this one, I will not only teach you how to find the minimum value, but I'm going to teach you how you get to find the turning point. Because the turning points get to contain a lot of things. So how do you find the turning point? You know that A there is what? Is 1. What is the value for B? B there is what? Negative 4. What is the value for C? C is equal to 3. So in this case, what we are going to do now is where we say x, we first find the value of x, negative b over 2a. You substitute now. X is now equal to negative b is what? Negative 4 over 2 multiplied by 1. So this is just the same as, so this is 4, you are going to get a 4. There you are going to get a 2. 2 into 4, it is just 2. So x is 2. You find the value for y. Y is equal to, on this given equation, where there is x, you put a 2. So that is 2 squared minus 4 multiplied by 2 plus 3. This is y is equal to 4 minus, this is 8 plus 3. What is the value there? Here you are going to get negative 5. 4 minus negative 5, you get negative 1. This is the answer you are going to get. So since y is equal to negative 1, x is 2. This is how we get to find the turning point. In this case, the turning point is, so turning point TP is what? The turning point is x is 2, y is negative 1. So this is the turning point. So I've taught you how we get to find the turning point. After this turning point, the question is saying, what is the minimum value for y? You just concentrate on this one. So minimum value for y is equal to negative 1. You are done. So the minimum value of y is equal to negative 1. If the question was saying maximum, you're still going to get the value for y. So this is how we get to answer this particular question. So these questions should not be a challenge to you from today. You just need to answer this question. The prerequisite knowledge that you are supposed to know for you to understand this very well is knowing how to solve quadratic equation by using factorization method. Once you know how to solve quadratic equation using factorization method, then this topic will be simple to you. So don't forget, this is your brother and your friend Harrison J. Zulu Tutor. Those of you that could like to join us, we offer tuitions in mathematics, science, biology, as well as English language. You can WhatsApp me on this number. You get to join my online school. So the number is 0971 066747. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Those of you under my online lessons, this is an exercise I gave you, so I guess we've revised through together. Thank you.